Hello everyone, welcome to U60's channel. Today, we shall discuss about a framework that all leading IT organizations follow, ITIL. Let us first understand what ITIL library is. ITIL is the acronym for Information Technology Infrastructure Library, which is a framework that encompasses a set of best practices for delivering IT services. ITIL provides a standardized approach to build and manage stable IT infrastructure that offers lesser risks, higher efficiency, and scalability for growth. As one of the most popular and widely accepted frameworks for IT service management today, organizations use the best practices laid down by ITIL for increasing operational efficiency and IT service improvement. The nucleus of ITIL is structured around a service life cycle, which consists of different phases, namely service strategy, service operations, service transition, and service design. In a practical scenario, organizations use a systematic approach to select, plan, support, and deliver IT services. It is easier said than done, since it is an arduous task for an organization to align itself with business. In the real world, it is not simple to offer quality service to customers amongst constraints such as unplanned change management, less proactive help desks, and less comprehensive SLAs that lack clarity. The framework of ITIL is divided into 5 broad categories or stages, namely guiding principles, governance, service value chain, continual improvement, and practices. Let us take a look at all the stages in more essential details. Guiding principles form the strategy laid down for the management of IT infrastructure for secure collaborations and increased business value. These are: focus on value, question the current strategy and evaluate the business value. All plans within the strategy should add value to achieve the business objective. Start where you are. Assessing existing processes, identify areas of improvement, and seek to enhance it. Progress iteratively with feedback. Focus on small improvement steps and evaluate progress. Select manageable and measurable changes. Once these are embedded, move forward on to the next iteration. Collaborate and promote visibility. Understand end users and work with them to plan improvements. Then review failures and success together. Think and work holistically. Organizations does not limit thoughts to hardware or software, but focuses on the latest technologies to reduce dependencies. Keep it simple and practical. Focus only on required processes as many things change. Optimize and automate. Emphasize on optimizing process first and then automate to improve efficiencies. Governance is a critical part and more like a framework to align our organization with the activities. It also allows controlling and ensures that activities comply with the guiding principles of ITIL to achieve the final goal. Governance is monitored through a governing team comprising of CISOs, CTOs, which is responsible for implementing ITIL guiding principles, compliance, and value add. It follows the approach of direct, that communicates the principle and defines policies in the company. Monitor, that tracks the compliance and adoption in the company. And evaluate, that assesses the performance and values created for the company. SVS is a set of interconnected activities required to realize the value and deliver results to the end users. There are 6 main activities within the service value chain. Plan involves creating a layout along with the policies to define the approach needed to achieve the organization objective. Improve devise strategies that target to improve the practices, services, and product continuity. Engage. This activity will facilitate the engagement with collaborators to obtain their precise requirements, needs, and pain points. Design and transition. Creating new services and enhancing existing services. Obtain, build. Obtain customer specifications and create the service modules for meeting their requirements. Deliver and support. push out the services that are being used by the relevant stakeholders meet their specifications. ITIL4 offers a continual improvement model that is applied to all facets of products and services alike. However, organizations use alternative improvement approaches like Lean, Six Sigma as well. Continual improvement applies to all areas and levels. It is iterative in nature and is the outcome of evaluation of performance. It follows the following approaches. What is the vision? We prepare the objectives for the vision. Where we are now. We believe baselines. Where do we want to be? We prepare the metrics for measurement. How do we get there? We prepare an action plan for improvement. Take corrective action. Perform actions timely. Did we get there? Evaluate value add and improvement quantitatively. Keep the momentum going. It is iterative that after evaluation, one may go back to approach beginning from the vision for further improvements, since improvement is a continuous process. Practices are one of the most critical parts of the service value chain that allows us to deliver valuable services to the end user. ITIL4 specifications separate practices into 4 broad categories: organizations and people. Define and assess the symptoms and culture, roles and skills to deliver the services. Information and technology. To deliver services, organizations select the available high-tech and data at their disposal. Partners and supplies. Forge strong relationships with stakeholders, including the third parties for service delivery. Value streams and processes. Define all the processes, workflows, and activities that add value to the service. 34 practices are divided into 3 management areas. The practices may be referred to in ITIL documents. ITIL guidance supports organizations and individuals to gain optimal value from IT and digital services. It equips a service provider with a transparent capability model, aligning them to the business strategy and customer needs. Many companies have made public the benefits they realized by implementing ITIL best practices for IT service management. Here are a few of them. Are you looking to implement ITIL within your organization? You may visit us at www.hsc.com or write to us at info@hsc.com. Thank you.